In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Elementor dark mode Google Maps in WordPress. We'll walk through this step by step, so even if you're not very technical, you'll be able to follow along and get a beautiful dark themed map on your site. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, look at the menu on the left-hand side and find the Pages section. Hover your mouse over Pages and then click on All Pages. This will show you a list of every page on your website. Find the specific page where you want to display your dark mode Google map. When you hover over that page title, you'll see several options appear underneath. Click on Edit with Elementor to open that page inside the Elementor editor. After Elementor loads, you'll see the main preview of your page in the center, and on the left side, you'll have the widgets panel. In this panel, scroll or use the search bar to find the widget called HTML. Click and drag the HTML widget into the section of the page where you want your dark mode map to appear. As soon as you drop it into place, an empty code field will show up in the left panel. In that HTML field, you're going to paste the map code. Use the exact code provided in the resources or description of this tutorial. You can pause the video if you need to copy it. Once you paste the code, your map should immediately appear in the preview area, and you'll notice that it's already using a dark mode style instead of the usual light Google Maps look. Now, let's customize the location. Inside the code you just pasted, look for the part that starts with src. Within that link, you'll see a section that clearly contains the word placeholder. This is where you define the map's location. Carefully replace the word placeholder with either a location name or latitude and longitude coordinates. For example, you might type something like Central Park, New York. After you make this change, give Elementor a moment to reload the map in the editor. You should see the map update to your new location while keeping the same dark mode styling. Once everything looks good and the map is centered where you want it, go to the top right corner of the Elementor interface. Click Update if you're editing an existing page, or Publish if this is a brand new page. Wait for the changes to save, then you can preview your page on the front end to confirm that your dark mode Google map is displaying correctly. And that's all you need to create an Elementor dark mode Google map in WordPress.